Good evening everyone, welcome to today's class. We are going to be making a very simple logo design. So the first thing we are going to do is go over to our shapes. From our shape we are going to bring in a triangle. So I'm going to change the triangle's color to black, increase the stroke width to the highest. Then I'll still come over here to external stroke, and then I'll enable it and increase it to the highest also. Then change the color to black. Then I'll reduce it a little. So basically this is how it's looking. I'll now use relative position to align it to the center. Then I'm going to lock it up. Then I'll still go to shapes, bring in another triangle. But this triangle I'm going to leave it in color white. I'll increase the stroke width to the highest, also change the stroke color to white. So I'm not going to add external stroke to this one. I'm just going to reduce the size. So this is how it's looking. I'm now going to go to relative position, align it to the center too, and then I'm now going to lock it up. Then after that, I'm going to bring in a circle shape, and then I'm going to change the color to black. So I'm just going to reduce this particular one, and then I'm going to place it like this. So this is how it will be looking. Then I'm going to now copy that same circle shape. So I'm going to copy it, then bring it over to this end here. So I'm now going to use position and align it just a little. As you can see, you will not, if it's at the same line, you will not even notice that it was added to it. Then I'm now going to lock it up. So I'm going to go to my gallery now, bring in another shape, just move it to the side like this, then increase the radius to the highest. So I'm now going to go to rotate over here. I'm going to move it to 27 first. So it's at 27 now. Okay, then I'm just going to bring it down here, reduce the size just a little, and then I'm going to align it perfectly with this guy using position. So this is the way this is the way it is looking. We are going to lock it up. Then we'll copy the same shape, we'll copy it, and then we are going to move it to minus 27. Okay, let's leave it at minus 26. Then we'll now bring it downwards this way. So we'll now go to position and then move it to align with the body of the triangle. So this is how it is looking. We are now going to lock it up. Go to shapes, bring in another shape, something that looks like this. Then we'll change the color to black. So this is how it is looking. So once we have done this, we are going to merge it together. We'll click here, lock this one. To merge it together, you click on this button here. Then you are going to select all of them. Then you now click on these two buttons here. You are going to see, are you sure you want to merge the selected objects? Click OK. So it's going to be together now as one. Erase color, then you will erase the color. After erasing the color, you go to text color, enable it, then pick this gradient red here. Okay, then just reduce the size a little bit like this. Bring it down here. Then you are going to copy it. Copy. Lock this first one. This second one you copied, you are going to go and pick this color for it. you go to gradient. This color is already a default color on your PixelLab, this particular one, so just select it, click OK. Then you will now go to crop, change the direction like this, then bring it downwards. So once you bring it downwards like this, you align them together, then you click here, bring it to the back. So now you are going to realign them properly again. So let's use position for it so that we'll get accurate results. Can you see the way it is looking now? Then we are now going to merge it together. Now after merging it together, we'll increase the size a little bit, then we'll align it to center using relative position. So this is the way it's looking now. We are going to lock it up, then go over to this place, change our background color to color white. So this is basically the way it is looking now. Then we are going to bring in another shape now from our gallery, from our shapes tab here. So this is the shape we brought in. You are going to reduce opacity to 0, increase the stroke width to the highest, merge them together like this. Then you come to blur radius, move blur radius to the highest. So this is how it's going to look once you are done. Just bring it together like this. Place this one underneath here. Reduce opacity to 62. So it is okay like this. You are now going to copy it, then bring it downwards for this particular end of it too. So basically this is the way it is looking once you are done. Then you quickly save it as project. Then you now save it as image. You move it from JPG to PNG, then from default to ultra, save to gallery. So basically this is the way it is looking. Thank you very much for staying to the end. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to this channel.